Top of the morning to you guys, welcome back to another daily video. So I'm going for like indoor soccer. If you guys call it indoor soccer, if you guys don't know futsal, it's indoor soccer. This is futsal. And my friend Visa, he'll be here in a bit.
Hey, look at Lakshman taking our Rajan production. Oh, fuck us, slippery. Oh! Hey, hi, Kavin. Oh! Fuck you, man. Shit, I swear, my brother gonna watch. Why is it too late, bro?
So what's in the hair?
What's the cat?
Your hair, what's in the hair like? Nice hair.
Fucker. Don't be fun. I was here by 7. Don't be fun. We're gonna have a good game,
nice hair.
Boys. Okay, I'm gonna tell a story, right, Visa?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you come from this gang of Indians called Parang, okay, don't listen to any. I cannot swear, right? Cannot, right?
Okay,
don't listen to any of these indecent fellas. These fellas say, "Hey, Jom, PM, come, let's play futsal."
What is PM? What is PM?
PM means Padang Masjid. Okay, so I said, "Oh, okay lah, nice lah. After so long, we're gonna bond. Come play football or futsal or." So I said, woke up at 7 lah. Someone not school day, what? Hey, look at me lah, Rajan. So I said, woke up at 7 lah. Got ready, wore my shoe all. Then I came here. Guess what lah, Visa?
What lah?
Nobody here.
Ayo!
Ishan and Kishore here lah. And then, so okay lah, no one here. So okay lah, we so play football and wait. Then came lah, every Indian, one by one.
Which Indian? Let me show the Indians. All is Indians.
I came early.
Hey, but who was the one that came later, sir?
Hey, you zoom your own face first.
And now we got no time to play already.
So how?
Now we cannot. Lakshman, say goodbye, say goodbye. Oh, the cap is on! Whoa! You sure how's your feeling that the cap's on?
I have to say this. I all my life have been living for this moment.
Oh, shit.
So, sir, can I have this cap, sir?
Whoa! You should smell it, man. Smell it. Oh, lick it, man.
I'm eating,
Oh, you eat it, man. Oh, you're hungry, boy. Hungry boy.
Indians, I tell you.
Okay. Say bye.
Lakshman.
Whoa! Shit.
Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Bring me a dream. Make him.
Now it's already start to just a light drizzle. Okay. Right, so just got done. Everyone went back already. Except for you want to see his sexy body. Yeah, you see.
Fuck you.
Okay. So currently we might going to have our breakfast soon. Maybe at some kind of restaurant, and then I'll go back and start off the episode. Three, two, one, okay. So we are having our lunch. Remember this place that we did the ice kosong prom hari? Ice kosong, we might be doing that prank again. It's pouring out here, so we have to just wait for the rain to stop. I think we might take another 30 minutes before I go back home. I need to like edit my vlogs. So yeah. So we just arrived here at Taman. I'm just using this light here, okay? So we are just going to play our PS4 and then we might go back home soon. So I'm going to edit the vlog when I get back home. home like 20 minutes, 15 minutes ago, and yeah, I'm heading to the bank. After the bank, I'm going to Subang Parade with my friends. I think we are going to watch a movie. I'm not sure, but then yeah. Let's go.
Into our circle. If that's you, blow out the candles.
Oh my God.
Right, so we are done with the movie. And Rajan, how was the movie?
Damn scary.
That guy is damn pussy, serious shit. Literally this.
Idola.
Right, so right now we are at SS15. We are gonna have our lunch kind of thing because we are hungry, and also I need to charge my camera battery.
Bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
How cool is my new lighting? So I'm gonna show you guys my table. This is not the final product. I still have more to go. Just gonna show you a simple sketch. My new room, as you can see, I put up the LEDs. I have a new lamp. Remember the lamp I used to put somewhere there? Now it's here. I bought a new this thing. I don't know what you call that. Hold on. Yeah, this lamp. And then we have the LEDs. I drilled some holes inside, so this thing will be there. Won't be changing the position. This
Bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
So my battery is actually dying. Today has been a really long day. I watched OEG. It was good. It was kind of funny when watching my friends watching that movie, but it was kind of good movie. So I'm gonna end my vlog right here. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome and keep enjoying my videos, and of course I'll catch you in tomorrow's vlog. So tomorrow maybe I'll be putting up the curtain, so make sure to check out tomorrow's vlog. And for now, daily vlog 11 is over.